Hello everybody, my name is Simone with Beauty Built, and today I want to talk to you about something very important in your business, which is your application for a tattoo artist license. In Florida, in most counties, the cost of the filing of an application for a tattoo artist license is $60. There's, I believe, one or two counties that charge about $75 for this application, but usually on the south, at least here, it's $60 per county. When you're going to file this, you must include the name of a licensed establishment, the place where you're going to work, in this application for it to be valid. So usually I recommend people, or I will help them to file a package. So when they come for our classes, we make sure to license the student first. So when they're going to work on a live model, they already have their license and they get out of class with their license, which is so much better, so they don't get confused with the filing, which documents is necessary, where do I go, how much do I pay. So we do this for them. We help them to do it actually. But then the second document that you need besides your completed application for a tattoo artist license is the tattoo establishment license, which costs $200 per year. That must be completed with all the information about your business and the information about yourself, and that is linked with the fact that you must pass the inspection. So based on article, I believe Florida Statute 381.00771, the inspection has a lot of things that you have to check, like a checklist, and you must comply with all of those things, like lighting, flooring, emergency exits, sterilization, cleanliness, and etc. So the third thing you're going to need is the biomedical waste permit. When you file for a biomedical waste permit, which is the third document that you're going to need, which costs $85, you must include in this application the name of the company that will be coming to pick up your biomedical waste monthly or bi-weekly, as often as you need. As soon as you fill up your thing, you have to call them to come and pick it up. So once you have these three things, you have your complete package, you're going to file it with your county. Okay, every county has its own department, so you must file it there. All right, so once you have all of these, they're going to be giving you 3 licenses, 3 numbers, and you're going to renew them yearly. The biomedical waste permit is renewable every September. Remember that. The others will be renewed at the time that you file for the first time, and the biomedical waste permit is renewable every September. So with all of that, you should be good to go for to start working, or for your tattoo shop or a PMU shop or a spa that offers permanent makeup. All right, and I just want to do a little caveat here. In Florida, for tattoo removal services, non-laser, there is no requirement for a license. So in our tattoo removal classes, we don't license anybody because there is no need in Florida. In other states, the requirements are different. So if you're going to be offering tattoo removal non-laser only, you don't need a license in Florida yet. Okay, it could change in the future, we don't know, but I just wanted for you to know this. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to ask. I'll be glad to help. Thank you so much. I'm Simone with Beauty Built. Have a great day. Bye.